gonna try to play. Need to put this yellow thing up. Look, guys! It's putting all the thing out. It's putting on this woodpecker toy, guys. This is like the woodpecker tag right here and the woodpecker tag right here. The woodpecker would and then make holes. The woodpecker hole make a hole. Then store its food right here. Okay? And the hole. Store its food on the hole. Okay? Look, he's going round. Yeah, the strongest beak in the world. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, mum, 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 mum. Up. It's kind of... I'm going to hold this so I'm going to hold it tight like this. Look, guys, it go down. Look, guys, it go down and goes down like this. Look, guys, it's backing on the wood. Oh, first put this in. Then put this in. Then put this, hold this, then pop this. Hold the yellow thing. Look, guys, look, it's hitting his hair. Stop. Hey, go. It's going around. Hey, go! Look, using the hand only like the stand. It's time for the sand. First you put this in. Wait, first you put this in. Then the woodpecker. It's all big, guys. What's all big? It's all big. Oh. Why the woodpecker's going down? Why the woodpecker's going down? I'm going to hold this so. I'm going to hold it tight like this. Look, guys. There is toys review.